In this video, we're going to be going over the 3-strand braid with the hair down. So we can just comb it in the place that we want. In this video, we're going to go straight back for ease. And where we put our hand underneath the head determines kind of where the braid's going to start. So if I keep my hand position here, I'm going to be far away from the nape of the neck. If I keep my hand right up to the nape of the neck, I'm going to keep the braid high. But you don't want to start too high where the hair starts coming upwards, because the braid's going to have that weird appearance like this. So we want to sit slightly lower than the nape. Yes, here. Yes. Then when you split the hair in 3, however you want to do that, it's really common for then this hand to accidentally slip low again. So you need to really be conscious of this trade-off here and come back where you originally started. 3 strands. Okay, we take our right over the center. We can comb it, make sure we're laying how we want to lay, and then put our left over and make sure we're laying how we want to lay. Like that little guy's a little funny. Okay, then you can hold it where you like it and take the next stitch. After a few stitches, okay, there you go. That's a little funny right there. Okay, now after that, you can just kind of cruise down. It's really that top part that is the trickier part, okay? And then a lot of people want to braid like this towards their body, but if you want it to lay down, just braid down. Sometimes I'll braid out so I don't run out of camera space. It's a little easier for me to go like this. I have a longer time, but when you're on a client, if you want the braid to go down, you braid down. Okay, so there's that regular braid here, and then I'll show you another version, which is that flat wrapping it. Same methodology of right goes over center, left goes over center. It's just this one has much more kind of a curvier rope kind of look, and the other one's flat wrapping it. So there you go. Okay. So if I wanted to do that up at the top, I would still do my normal stitches here. Make sure this lays nice. But when we come to here, instead of just putting it over, I have to actually fold it over like this. So this is, let's say, the front of the section. I have to make the back section show. And then I can hold it and grab it. Okay, and I'm flipping it over. It takes a little bit more hand manipulation because you need to stabilize the section here and stabilize it, and then flip it, and I grab it with this kind of middle finger hook and then stabilize. Grab it with my middle finger, stabilize, grab it, and you'll start to see the difference once I get here. Okay, so now that I'm getting to the bottom, you can really see the difference between this braid and like just normally laid braid. It's way flatter on the sides and even way flatter this way. Yeah. So this is not as common, but it definitely has a cool look. More for like if you're gonna do a runway, or if you're going to do, it just depends. It's a very different look. So it's not wrong, it's just different. So here's another version of the 3-strand braid. Same you know, right over the center or left over the center. It's just the way that you lay it flat versus just going down. Okay.